Today I'm going to show you how to take a PDF document and transform it into a picture file. You can either transform it into a JPG, PNG, TIFF, other formats. So here's my PDF file right here. I'm just going to take it and drag it into GIMP, which we already had open. It says, what do you want to import? Yep, this is what it is. Here is our PDF imported into GIMP. Then you go to File, Export As, and instead of PDF, we want to rename it .jpg or PNG. JPG is probably your best option. And I have it saving to my desktop, so I go to Export. And we want our quality to always be at 100%. And we click Export. And now I have it right here as a JPEG file. And I can use that any way I want.